Hey y'all, so I'm going to show you a quick way to make some good candied yams. These are my yams. I cut them up kind of like steak fries. And what I got there is 4 tablespoons of Land O'Lake unsalted butter. I have a half a cup of white sugar. And a half a cup of brown sugar that I did not pack. So it's just loose in there. And that's all you need for that. And I also add nutmeg, ground nutmeg. I prefer nutmeg over cinnamon, but I also put cinnamon in this as well. And for this, because it's not something I'm baking, this is fine for this. So I use the Mexican vanilla blend. This is not good for baked cakes or your like my cheesecakes or whatever. It's just not good for baked goods. And you just let this go. And when I get finished, I'll come back and show you as it cooks down, it cooks through. It's going to make like a little candy concoction at the bottom, and then you're going to just stir it up, continue to cook it. It's going to cook down. And that is a quick, simple way to make candy yams. And because they're cut up like steak fries, it won't take them as long to get done. And see, the thing about sweet potatoes is they are naturally sweet. So if you would take these and say just steam them down, the reason why I like to add my butter and sugar and everything in there is because it just gives it just amps up the flavor. But you know, since it's a holiday, I'm doing it this way. Later, I'll probably just let it cook down. Some people boil theirs. I don't like to boil it because to me, when you boil this and then you drain it, you're taking all of your nutrients out. So I just cook it like this, slow. Just let it cook. Now, if you don't watch it and you cook it too fast, it will stick because it caramelizes. But I'll be back and show you what it looks like.